Hello and welcome. My name is Code On, and I hope you are ready for a quick dash of coding chaos. I received a question from a scratcher that asked me, how do I go ahead and import a GIF into Scratch? Well, it's pretty easy, as you'll see here in this sample project. Here's one where I imported two GIFs, one of the Mars Perseverance rover and the parachute that they were testing for that rover. How did I do it? Let's get coding. So the fastest way to import a GIF is in Scratch. You paint, or you can upload a sprite. I would say upload a sprite. And in my downloads folder, I already have a NASA GIF. All I do is open, and what's a GIF? Many, many, many images. So there's my NASA GIF, and you're like, wait a minute, how many costumes are there? Ooh, look at this. This particular GIF has 53 different costumes. Well, let's figure out, how do we code this? We want to go ahead and drag code into this coding space to make those images show. So follow along here and you'll see I'm in looks, and I'm going to grab the next costume block. And one of the things is, if you click on that, look at the GIF. As I click on it, you can see my little rocket ship flying around. And goodbye, Scratch Cat. So this next costume command is important, and I'm going to put it in, not a forever loop, but if you remember, there were 53 different costumes. So I'm going to start with costume 1, and then I need to repeat 52 more times to see all of the costumes. So I've imported the GIF, and I will start with this first image, and let's check this out. Here we go. If I click the flag, this is what it looks like when it plays out. Yahoo! You did it. What do you think? Pretty easy, right? Let's look at that again. Boom, I flew the GIF images one time by playing it. Well, I hope you found that quick dash of coding chaos helpful, and I want to wish you all the best until next time. As you know what they say, code on.